Book 12, Unit 1. Avalanches. An avalanche suddenly happens when a lot of loose snow falls down the side of a mountain at the same time. Avalanches can be deadly. They can be started by wind, rain, warming temperatures, more snow, and earthquakes. Skiers and snowboarders must be careful when going down slopes. They can easily sweep or bury anyone doing winter sports. If this happens, we have to find those people very quickly, or they could be without air and die. If a victim is rescued within 20 minutes, he or she has more than 90% chance to survive. Each year, there are more than 150 individuals killed during avalanches.